Okay, so today I have a letter from August 29, 1943. I'm sure letters like this from home were really nice to read. And then we have one from the mother, who is probably the grandmother's daughter. And the writing does not get much better. It's really bad. But I thought I'd read it. So this is Sunday night, August 29, 1943. 28 or 29. I believe Sunday was the same day. Hello, Connie dear. How are you this Sunday night? Fine, I hope. We are all up and able to go. Anna Laura and her folks went to a birthday dinner today. Again, like, this is the same story. Why can't you guys, like, write a different day? Just saying. A birthday dinner today. Guess she has told you all about it. Yes, she has, yes. And I went visiting too. I got a card from Mary Shute last week saying that she was making up some money to have the cemetery cleaned off. So I got a chance to go down there with Wallace and Ethel today. They was going down to, and I don't know this word, Audmas, to get some apples. Wilma had sent them a word to come and get some this week, and if they could. So they was falling off so bad that I went with them and spent the day with them. We ate part of it. We went to Sunday school, and when it was over, we went up to the cemetery and looked around. Sure does need to have a lot of work done. Just bushes and weeds until you can hardly walk through it. Don't know yet just how much they will do. She didn't know whether they would get enough to sow in the bluegrass or not, but it was what she wanted. But if she didn't, they would at least get it cleaned off, and I gave her $5. And she said she was real tickled and said that that was the most she had gotten from any one person so far. Neva and Tudor was here when I got back this evening. They rode horseback and said the kids liked it just fine. Well, everybody else has gone to bed, so I guess I better too. So we'll try and write again soon. Love, Mother. That's nice. So I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's really interesting to see those personal parts. I love the letters. If you like these letters, like and subscribe, and I would love a comment. I love it when people stop by and say hi. It's always fun. Okay, everybody, have an awesome day today. Bye.